All right, AP, let's look at a few sample problems for significant figures. So give the number of significant figures for each of the following results. A student's extraction procedure on T yields a 0.0105 grams of caffeine. B, a chemist records a mass of 0.050080 grams in an analysis. And then C, in an experiment, a span of time is determined to be 8.050 times 10 to the negative 3 seconds. So for each of these, determine the number of significant figures. All right, so please take time to come up with an answer for this yourself, whether it's in your head or you write this down on a piece of paper. Press pause if you need to. Here are the solutions. For A, this number contains 3 significant figures. The zeros to the left of the 1 are leading zeros and are never significant, but the remaining 0, which is a sandwiched 0 or a captive 0, it is significant. So the 1, the 0, and the 5 are all significant, leaving us with 3 significant figures. For B, the number contains 5 significant figures. The leading zeros, okay, which are to the left here of the 5, are not significant because leading zeros are never significant. The captive zeros or the sandwich zeros between the 5 and the 8 are significant. They're always significant. And the trailing zeros, which are to the right of the 8, are significant, or should I say is significant. There's one, it's only one, because the number contains a decimal point. C, this number has 4 significant figures because it's written in scientific notation. In addition, and that's kind of like a catch-all. If it's properly written in scientific notation, every digit in the response is considered significant. But even beyond that, we have a sandwiched 0, okay, which is always significant. A captive 0 is always significant. And we have a trailing 0. And remember, trailing zeros, sometimes they are significant, sometimes they're not. What makes the difference is whether or not there's a decimal. If there's a decimal in the number, in the value, then a trailing 0 is considered significant. There is a decimal point in this number, so it's considered significant. So we have 4 significant figures.